Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file personal taxes, full guide. Gather W-2s, 1099, receipts, and your social security number before you begin. Next, choose either the standard deduction or itemize if you have qualifying expenses. I will walk you through filling forms, calculating credits, and checking math to avoid mistakes. This guide keeps things simple and practical so you finish with confidence and a completed return. Start by collecting W-2s and every 1099 that applies, including 1099 NEC and 1099 MISC. Enter wages, freelance income, and interest into Form 1040 accurately. Record pre-tax deductions like retirement contributions and health savings accounts. I will explain adjustments and how they lower taxable income, and then we will cover tax credits that reduce what you owe dollar for dollar. Follow along to keep your filing organized and correct. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so more guides show up in your feed. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, and it pairs nicely with smarter tax decisions. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick it up. Thanks for supporting the channel, and now let's get back to the video. Decide between the standard deduction and itemizing by totaling mortgage interest, state taxes, and qualifying expenses. I will show simple thresholds and when itemizing beats the standard deduction. Next, identify credits like child tax credit and education credits that directly lower tax owed. Keep clear receipts and organize records so you can support deductions if needed. This approach saves money and reduces audit risk with straightforward steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.